you allow them to take advantage? Do you allow them to take? How many marks you have given here?
4.
4. Why do you do that?
Not to take it.
Don't allow. I say assertiveness. Don't allow anyone to take advantage. They will take you for granted. You lose in your self-esteem. You lose money, and people will say, "Arey yaar, usko to anytime we can be free."
I think this is the reason why he takes more tasks than required as well, because he cannot say no.
So that is not good. You should learn to say no when you want to say no. You should never say yes when you want to say no. This I have repeated many times. I think this needs to be repeated. Yes.
Number 9, I arrive late for work or important meeting. I given one number. 1 mark.
So that means you never arrive late. You are always on time.
Yes.
Very good. Give him a big hand. Next.
Next,
Here you have given 4.
4.
huh?
तो मैं उठते दिए.
1 minute.
3 या 4 किधर दिया है?
Yeah. I want correct.
Okay.
Number 30. Fear of failing stopped me from taking action. I have given 4.
अच्छा, fear of
Failure.
failure stops you from taking action. Fear of failure produces a lot of butterflies in your mind.
Correct.
This is wrong here. Just as you did today, fill your belly with good food so that there is no place for
Then
butterflies.
I have given answered this question.
Okay.
No, I don't understand.
Now the fear of what is written there, what is given feedback?
So, no, you have given how many marks?
4.
4. That is what I am saying. It is very similar to allow your butterflies. That is a fear of failure. Therefore, you don't come
That's
to face. There, fear of failure, you don't take action. Don't do that. Find out some method.
I
Yes.
have given 1, 2 things. I am too busy to have lunch with friends and colleagues during the week.
So you are never too busy.
Never too busy in the sense it was a.
No, you do take lunch. Very good. So 1 is fine. Yes, 1 is very good.
Then I avoid delegating tasks to other people. 1 again.
So don't avoid. Very good.
Don't
You delegate.
3, I concentrate. I have given 4 for. I concentrate on my work to forget about personal problems. So if I am tense,
No. Say it again. I.
concentrate on my work to forget about my personal problems.
No, this is very important. It's very dicey. When you undertake work to forget about your personal problems, you will do neither to personal problems, not to work. This means escapism. Escapism is never good. So therefore, you attend to personal problems if they are so urgent. Otherwise, you say personal problems, please get away. Let me finish my work and then I come and talk to you. You see, you talk to yourself. As I said, you become a witness to whatever is happening in the brain. Okay, what else? Anything else?
I notice negative changes in my behavior patterns when I am under pressure. 3.
3. So you notice,
Yes, I notice.
and then also you continue. Eh?
No, in that case I take action.
So then why you have given 3? I don't understand.
But it happens. It happens.
So
That I get.
should it happen?
I'm reacting.
So should you react?
No, I shouldn't.
So then don't react. Who has told you to react? Which doctor or which teacher has told you to react? Act, never react. Write down these 3 words. Act, never react. When you act, you use your mind. When you act, you use your mind. When you react, you lose your mind. Am I right, doctor?
Yes.
When you act, you use your mind. When you react, you lose your mind. So therefore, never react. Yes. That's all.
Sorry to interrupt.
Yes,
So
not at all.
what is the difference? I know there's a thin line between act and
No. Act means you use your mind and take action. React means other person has insulted you, immediately you give back. So where sometimes intuition is good, but this reaction is bad. Reaction is very bad. In fact, if you don't react, you think for 1 second, 2 seconds, your mind will tell you how to speak, what to speak, so that the person never insults you in the life again. Again, the power of tongue.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'll make a statement here.
Yes, please do.
Handle every situation rather than react. Anger or frustration shows your inability to handle that situation.
Yes, he has explained it, but simple principle, act, never react. Because if you act, you use your mind. If you react, you lose your mind. Which is better? Using the mind or losing the mind? So use the mind. Yes.
Point number 24.
Yeah.
I am embarrassed to say when I feel overloaded with work.
Pardon?
I'm embarrassed to say.
Embarrassed to?
Say when I feel overloaded with work. I
So
do
that
not
means
for-
that you means you. No, I don't understand.
He's
he
always embarrassed to say when he
When he goes.
When he is overloaded with work,
Huh.
he is not able to say no to people when he
It's the same. That is what we have been talking.
he wants to give to you.
That is interpersonal skills, negotiation skills, but it has got nothing to say. You see, nothing to. Now what we are talking of stress. That subject is different. That is negotiation skills, interpersonal skills. Negotiations mean can you take. That is your strategy, your tactics. So that subject is. Abhi,
Same thing cannot be applied.
at the moment, no. At the moment, we are talking of stress. कि stress को लेना नहीं. Otherwise, become strong. जो भी करेगा फिर करो. लेकिन stress को मत लो.
नाही तुम्ही ओव्हरलोडेड असाल आणि तुम्ही तरी म्हटलं हो मी करतो
हा.
आणि तुम्हाला नाही जमलं घरात काही इमर्जन्सी आली काही दुसरं तुम्ही
You
बफर
cannot do that.
टाइम
वो कितनी देर
तुम्हाला
करोगे?
बफर टाइम ठेवूनच काम करावं लागतं तुम्ही घरात काही इमर्जन्सी येऊ शकते तुम्हाला वेळ त्यासाठी पण द्यावा लागतो नंतर यू लूज द क्लायंट फॉर एव्हर इफ यू डोंट कमिट
I say if you commit and you are not able to do,
Then you
you
lose.
become unreliable.
Yes.
So unreliable person, so he will be used only when other persons are not available.
हाँ
जब दूसरा नहीं अवेलेबल होगा तो आपको बुलाएगा ये काम कर. So unreliability का ऐसा कोई impression मत दो कहीं भी कि that you are unreliable. So unreliable means you say yes,
Yeah.
but you are not able to say, you are not able to do. Eventually यार वो तो ऐसे yes बोलते वो करेगा नहीं उसकी कैपेसिटी नहीं है. ये इसको बुलाओ, इसको दो. He is stronger. कम से कम बोलता तो है ना, अगर नहीं कर सकता तो नहीं बोलेगा. You see, in the long run, big companies, after all, there's कुछ वो मैनेजमेंट के प्रिंसिपल सीख के आए. Negotiations में कई दफा threat देते हैं. That is a part of the strategy. That's a part of negotiation. You have to use threat. अगर negotiation का मैं कोर्स करता हूँ उसमें है कि कहाँ आपको थ्रेट यूज कर रहे हैं और कितना थ्रेट यूज कर रहे हैं. कई दफा कोई पेमेंट कर लेनी है वो बोलो कि भाई देखो अभी काफी टाइम हो गया पेमेंट दे दो. नहीं तो फिर मैं ऐसा करता हूँ किसी दूसरे आदमी को बोलता हूँ वो आपको से पेमेंट लेगा मेरी जगह पे क्योंकि मेरे पास टाइम नहीं है आपसे इतनी बात करनी है. तो आपको थ्रेट दे रहा है कि मैं किसी गुंडे को बोलूंगा कि तुम आज जाके इसकी पेमेंट करो.
नहीं जात नहीं बिझनेस जात नाही आई गिव अ नाइस एग्जांपल हियर I was we were doing business with Cadbury and it was an annual business of around 20 crore rupees and we had an annual contract with them for the pricing but all of a sudden the vitamin C prices globally went up. So we were on negative margins because of the raw material pricing going up. So we stood up and we told Cadbury that we are very sorry we will not be able to
two number. Like
This is okay. So you don't become impatient.
Okay, and number 3 I've given to 28. I feel I need to finish all outstanding work each day.
वो each day कभी नहीं होता है तो उसको प्रेशर में मत आओ. You become focused. You decide, determine कि मैं कल आपके first thing मैं ये कर दूँगा. लेकिन प्रेशर में आके आपकी efficiency खराब होगी.
Okay, and the last 3 I've given to number 23. People take advantage of it.
Don't allow them. because now you have declared all these people will also start taking advantage. Yes, because now we know that this is your weak point. Don't do that. Yes.
I think 4 is my lucky number here.
So we were all saying that he has developed a very strong sense of humor. Yes.
Most of the points are discussed. Only this 27 and 31. I find it difficult to say no to requests and demands.
Don't
That
say
is one point. That's
Don't
why
say
I'm bothered
no.
too much.
Don't
And
say
another
yes and no.
is again related to same. My work life tends to take priority over my family and home life.
नहीं, ये नहीं होगा. In the long run it will not be. It's not there. तो इसके लिए आपको जो कुछ भी करना पड़ता है उसको बैलेंस करो. So now we'll have debates. 2 debates I want to have, and therefore let's have 14. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Please continue.
1, 2, 3.
Start again.
1,
2,
3,
1, 2,
3, 4. 1, 2,
3,
4.
1.
1,
2.
Okay, one person is missing. No problem. Okay, now we have 4 teams, but we have 2 subjects. 1 and 3 will deal with one subject, and 2 and 4 will deal with another subject. So I will spell out the subject. So one team will speak for the motion, for the statement. Other team will speak against the statement. Now what are the statements? One, sex education must be included in the school curriculum. Sex education must be included in the school curriculum. So one team will speak for the motion, other will speak against the motion. So this is 1 and 3. Which is 1 and 3?
1 is 0.
1, 3. 3 only 1 person.
3
Are you comfortable? Because I want to include the dominant.
2.
So okay, 2 and 4 will speak on this subject.
2 and 4. So can you repeat it?
Subject is sex education must be included in the school curriculum. बच्चों को sex education सिखाना चाहिए. This is the subject. 2 and 4. And the 1 and 3, electronic media is spreading lawlessness and promoting anti-national activities. I repeat the subject. I say statement is electronic media, which includes radio, television, and please also films. Electronic media is spreading lawlessness and promoting anti-national activities.
Lawless means what?
Lawlessness means ये
Without law.
जो सिग्नल तोड़ते हैं,
Okay, okay.
तो ये मतलब लॉ एंड ऑर्डर को खराब करते हैं. एंड प्रोमोटिंग एंटी नेशनल एक्टिविटीज. तो ये जैसे अगर ग्लोरीफाई करते हैं एंटी हीरोज को. हाँ, यस. So okay, this will be for 1 and 3, no 2 and 4 because we wanted to include the doctor. So therefore, 1 and 2 and 4 will stay there. 1 and 3 will come.
अभी अपना तो अगेंस्ट बोल रहे हैं, फॉर्मल वर्क define what is अगेंस्ट बोल रहे हैं, तो we have to find